Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will say about global variables and local variables in Python. This can sometimes be confusing, so listen carefully to understand clearly. First, what is global variables and local variables? Global variable is declared in main program and local variable is declared within the function. I repeat again, global variable is declared in the main program and local variable is declared within the function. First, we should know variables in a program may not be accessible at all locations in the program. This depend on where a variable is declared. First, we should know the scope of the variable. The scope of the variable determines the portion of the program where users can access a particular identifier. There are two types of scopes. Scope of variable in Python. There are global scope and local scope. I will explain what is a global scope and local scope. First, what is a global scope? A variable defined outside a function body has a global scope. It can be created by defining a variable outside of any function or a block. A variable within a global scope can be accessed anywhere in the program. Any modification to global variable is a permanent and visible to all functions written in the file. Next, local scope. What is local scope? A variable defined in a function body has a global scope. I repeat again, a variable defined in a function body has a global scope. It can be created by defining a variable inside a function definition. They are not related in any way to other variables in the same names used outside a function. Please note it down. They are not related in any way to other variables with the same name used outside the function. That is, variable names are local to the functions. Local variables only exist while the function is executing. It is a very important thing. A local variable only exists while function is executing. Here is the difference between global variables and local variables. First, global variables are defined in the main body of a program. Local variables are defined within the function and local to that functions. Next, global variables can be accessed throughout the program. Local variables can be accessed from point of its definitions until the end of the block in which it is defined. Global variables are accessible to all functions in the program. Next, local variables are not related in any way to other variables within the same name used outside the functions. For better understanding, here is an example for global variables and local variables. First, x equal to 50 definition, test of x plus equal to 10. Here x plus equal to 10, it is an assignment operator. In a previous video, I was explain about operators in Python. If you want any clarification, please watch that. Next, print inside the test x is x. Print main value of x is x, test of x. In this example, variable x equal to 50 is a global declaration. It can be accessed by the test function. The x used inside the test function is a global scope, local scope. The x used inside the test function is a local scope. The changes made inside the function will not reflected back to the main function. Thank you for watching this video. If any clarification, also ask me.